You can play like you don't know, but I'm the motherfucking truth. Spitting real game and I'm clutching in the booth. We was both on one, now we fucking in the booth. She looked me in my eyes, she say, nigga, you the truth. Bad and rude, body, we don't.
Okay, YouTube part 2. Now we about to cut this piece out. I done backed it out. About to get this piece cut out. And then see what we gotta do to fix that. I'll probably bend some sheet metal at work tomorrow. And we'll figure that out. But as you can see, man, it's coming along. It's coming along. We still got a lot of block sanding to do. A lot of sanding, a lot of blocking. And as you can see, the dents, like, you can see, man, like, this thing needs some work. But we go get it together. We gonna get it together, though. But shit, stay tuned. I'm about to grind down these edges. And get where the contour piece is so that I can cut it out. And then on both sides, and then we'll move accordingly, you know, how we go get the rest of it out. So stay tuned.
You can play like you don't know, but I'm the motherfucking truth. Spitting real game and I'm clutching in the booth. We was both on one, now we fucking in the booth. She looked me in my eyes, she say, nigga, you the truth. Bad and rude, body, we don't.
Okay, so pretty much got this piece cut off. I just gotta chisel that out. So, cause this is a whole piece. So I just gotta chisel that out. Chisel that loose, those spot welds. And then we can move accordingly. So, as you can see, did my little clean cuts. And shit. Let's get it.
You can play like you don't know, but I'm the motherfucking truth.
Okay, so as you can see, that's a done deal. And then here we go. So basically, I need to get rid of this. And so basically, I'm gonna cut across here, cut across there, cut the bad piece off. Save this piece because I'm gonna need this when I go to work tomorrow so that I can bend this piece. But it's just pretty much a piece of sheet metal that fucking supports the top piece up underneath. Well, we got it all cut out. We go grind these pieces to the bare metal, and then we can test fit. Actually, we can test fit now. Always left foot. You got started, fuck trying to steal me. Shit, you gonna have to kill me. Feeling the way I'm a fuck. So boom. There we go. There we go. If that don't fit like a glove, I don't know what do. So basically what that piece of metal up underneath goes is it comes up here, and then it brings a lip up top so that way that gasket can sit down in there. So I'll fabricate that at work tomorrow, and we'll have that figured out. But That's that piece. So shit, that concludes this video. Probably next video, cause I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. So it's gonna conclude this video, and I'm gonna hop back on my console, and rear deck. I gotta get some wood, but pretty much getting the woodwork done for the console. So I'm gonna stay at that, and shit, we'll figure out the rest tomorrow.